on news, music, and total entertainment.
SOL, Tele-Broadcasting Station, standing firm, free, and independent.
Broadcasting live, we are BWOS.
Facing the challenge of tomorrow. One voice, one region, one station. This is SOL Broadcasting Station, VWOS-FM Naga, a commercial radio station affiliated with Kaiser Broadcasting Network with a frequency of 103.9 MHz with a power of 10,000 watts as authorized by National Telecommunications Commission under PA number 2010-279. Our station and transmitter are located at Katmon 2, Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City. This station is maintained and operated by the following personnel. Fully licensed by the NTC, Vicente G. David Jr., First Class Radio Telephone Operator, with license number 93-1PNCR-4123. Christopher S. Cabaldera, First Class Radio Telephone Operator, with license number 95-1PV-15403. And Edgar Sabanal, First Class Radio Telephone Operator, with license number 96-1PV-16173. VWOS 103.9 Naga of SOL Broadcasting Station is now signing off.
Bayang magiliw, dala sa silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisiin, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bugaw. May dilagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kisap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagririnig. Ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng